I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a practice test on common factors for you. You may pause the video, copy these questions, factor them. In case you have difficulty in factoring these questions, then I'll suggest to go through some of the videos and understand the concept. Let's go through these questions one by one. The first one is 2a square minus 3a. Second is 6xy square plus 9x square y. C is 2x times x minus 1 plus x minus 1. D is a times x minus 2 whole square plus b times x minus 2. And then we have E, which is 5t times 2 minus t plus 3 times t minus 2. And F is ax plus ay minus 2x minus 2y. These are a variety of questions which you'll come across when you do factoring using common factors. I hope they help you to prepare for the test. Here are quick solutions to these questions. 2a square minus 3a, a is common, so we can write a, and we get 2a minus 3 as our answer. Next one, 6xy square plus 9x square y. Amongst the numbers, 3 is common, so we can take 3 as common. Amongst the variables, x, y is common, so we can take x and y common. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X is already taken out, one of the y is out, you're left with 2y here. Plus 9 divided by 3 is 3, and you're left with 3x. So that is how you can factor B. To factor C, which is 2x times x minus 1 plus x minus 1, you can use x minus 1 as one of the terms. Now x minus 1 is a common factor, so it could be written as x minus 1. Now if you take x minus 1 common, you're left with 2x from the first term and 1 from the second. So that is how you factor it. It's kind of tricky. Next one, x minus 2 whole square and x minus 2. That means x minus 2 is common, correct? So we can take x minus 2 as a common factor, and we are left with a times x minus 2 in the bracket. So I prefer to use square brackets. So we can say a times x minus 2. As one of the factors x minus 2 has been taken out, only one is left, plus b, right? So that is what you get from the second term. Now you can always expand this and write your answer as x minus 2 times ax minus 2a plus b, right? So that becomes your solution for part D. In case of E, the common factor is we have 2 minus t and t minus 2. Well, t minus 2 can be written as 2 minus t with a negative sign, correct? So we can take 2 minus t as common factor. Let's take 2 minus t as a common factor. We get 5t from the first term, and here minus 3. So that's kind of tricky. So you can watch some videos which are based on this concept. They're going to help you to understand the concept. Now here we kind of do group factoring. So treat these 4 terms as 2 groups. Then it should be easy for you to factor. A is common in the first group, so we get x plus y, and then we can take minus 2, getting x plus y in the second term. Now you can factor x plus y common, resulting into a minus 2 as the other factor, correct? So that is how you can factor these and get your answer. In case you had difficulty in any one of these kinds, there are videos in my playlist which are very similar to these. They should help you to understand the concept better. Thank you and all the best.